So here are 5 mistakes to avoid that kill your charisma. We're going to breeze through this so you can just write them down. So the first one is not introducing yourself. If you introduce yourself, people will remember your name. And if you don't do that, you're going to be killing your charisma because it's also kind of impolite. Introduce yourself always. The second thing are your responses are too short when you're speaking to people. When you speak to people, you want to share enough information, talk enough, so that they have something to talk about too. Share more info. The third thing is complaining about everything. Nobody likes a negative person. So if you complain a lot, you need to cut that out, at least by 90%. Still talk about your opinions, but don't complain. Number 4 is mumbling. If you talk like this all the time, people aren't gonna really think you're charismatic. So you're gonna need to talk louder and project your voice. We're gonna talk about that too. But don't mumble or talk quietly. Our 5th thing is having no principles. If you have no principles, no morals, you're gonna be pretty stale and forgettable. So always broadcast your opinions and say them loudly. So now you know what to avoid. Avoid these things and write them down. Be sure to memorize them and they will never fail you if you avoid them. You'll be more charismatic and you'll draw people to you. Good luck.